Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Diana here, and today we are going to be fertilizing my garlic and some of my onions. I planted garlic back in October of last winter, and it is time for them to get a round of some fertilizer. So today I'm going to be using something different to fertilize them with. If you guys want to see, let's get into it. All right, so here is the secret potion that I'm going to be using today, you guys. Check it out. That is banana peels. Yes, banana peels, and it has been soaking in water for about a good week. And we're going to, I've already filled this up here. This is full of banana peel water. And I also have some of my all-purpose plant food. And what we're going to do, here's the garlic. This here is the store-bought garlic. I planted this garlic back in November, but I have some more garlic I'm going to show you guys that I planted in October. So here it is. It's a nice sunny day out here. This is the store-bought garlic. First time growing. I don't know why I planted that one by itself, but that's just one little garlic by itself. So what we're going to do, we're going to get right in it here. We're going to give these, sprinkle some of this plant food down in here. Get it all down in there. This stuff is tall. I don't know if you guys can tell how tall it is, but it's really tall. So it has done good over the winter. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work it in the soil. This plant food here, we're going to work it in the soil. Get it down in there. Just like this. Get these weeds out. See this here? This stuff is taken away from my garlic, and I love me some garlic, y'all. Yes. Right over here I got some sweet mint growing. Look at that. Beautiful sweet mint. Alright. Also I'm going to plant some spearmint too. I got my seeds. I got to get them going. Alright, we just going to continue to work it down in the soil. We want them to get that plant food. Hopefully I'll get some nice bulbs in June or July. Just working it in. Working it in. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this banana concoction here, and we're just gonna get them a good soaking. If my bananas don't stop up the thing. All right. Okay, so we have got these good and watered with the banana peel fertilizer. Like I said, these ones I bought from the grocery store, Food Line to be exact. And I just took the bulbs and planted them in the ground back in November. These are from November. All right, so now going to take you guys over here to my other little bed that I have of garlic. And this garlic that I got over here, I bought it online from Amazon. I got, I believe it's called the California White. Oh, it's soft neck. This is soft neck garlic here that I bought. So here it is. All right. So the soft neck here, it looks like it definitely needs some type of nitrogen maybe. But you see this garlic right, this piece of garlic right here, is from the grocery store. So you can definitely tell the difference in the garlic. This is the soft neck garlic, and this might be some type of hard neck garlic that I got from the store. I don't know. But we're going to do the exact same thing with this garlic that we did with the store-bought garlic. So we're just going to go ahead and take our plant food here, and we're going to sprinkle it down in here just like we did with the other ones. And these ones here, I had actually put straw down in here to protect them during the winter. So what is that? Something that made a home. Oh no, that's the little, okay. All right, so yeah, so I put this straw down in here to help them get through the winter, and they did good, looks like. And I didn't put any in the other one, so we're just gonna do the same thing, kind of get that plant food down in there, and then we're going to give it a good soaking with our banana peel fertilizer. So I wanted to show you guys right fast my yellow onions. These are long day onions. I planted these, I believe it was an experiment back in November. I did a video, if you guys go back. These have been growing all through the winter. So this is how they're looking. My little experiment plot here. These are the yellow jumbo, I think Spanish onions, I want to say. Utah Spanish, something like that. But yep, I just wanted to show you guys. And I think a little rabbit or something has been sleeping down in there, you see. But other than that, look like they're doing good. Okay, you guys, so that's about it. You know, we just gave it a little plant food and some banana peel fertilizer, and hopefully that'll perk these ones over here back up, the soft neck garlic. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, I'll be seeing you guys. Bye.